Alright, so we're on this train. This is like a toy, or it's not a toy, it's not a toy, it's a big, huge train. See the train? So we're on this train, and we have our blue tickets, and when we were waiting, we were yelling choo-choo, and it was really awesome. So we're gonna vlog while we're on this train, because I am feeling like a child on this train. Are you ready? This is like so awesome. This is like the best thing ever.
It's amazing. Don't drop your phone.
I hope I don't drop my phone.
Just be like, oh no, I gotta go find my phone.
We're at like the very back because I wanted to be at the very back, and then there's like a conductor and everything behind us. It was pretty awesome. It's really loud, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me.
It smells bad now.
Yeah. It says 1 on the first car. Yeah.
Maybe it's Thomas the train.
I think it's Thomas the train. He even choo-choos. He's got like a white flag at the front. Best vlog. Yeah, so I got asked for like a million times for vlogs. So I'm vlogging, guys. You're welcome.
What's a vlog?
It's a video vlog. Is this not exciting? I think this is very exciting.
It's pumping.
There's like the Fraser River over there. I don't know if you can see it. There's like trees at the Fraser River.
It stinks.
This is like the best thing ever. I hope it choo-choos before we get back, because that's the best thing ever. I don't even know how much I'm enjoying this right now. We paid $2 just to go on this train, and I love it. See, there's more of the river over there. Like there's actually huge stock at the front, and I'll like video log in front of it too, of the front, and I'll video log. I'll vlog.
There you
It choo-chooed. See, I told you it choo-chooed. See, there's like where it goes in after, and then where it goes out, and there's like this water park over there. This is a graveyard actually in there.
We will be passing the water park very soon.
This is the water park.
It's amazing.
There's a park over there too. Like
It's so amazing. There's people without their shirts on.
This is like super awesome. I'm not even sure how much I love this place. Whoa, whoa, it's stopping and it's dinging. And I think I love this. Trains are love, trains are life. This is the Explorer Urban Garden. Yeah, it's super fun. I don't even know how much I love this. Why is this so awesome? Okay, so I'm gonna like vlog in front of it so you can see what it actually looks like.
Alrighty, everyone, so you can exit through this door right over here.
I have to go vlog in front of the thing.
Okay.
Okay.
I had somebody steal
So-
my cushion once.
Who would steal the cushion?
Wanna have fun?
Too much cushions. Okay, I'm gonna go show you quickly, and then I have to leave. Okay? Yeah. So this is what it actually looks like.
Do they want to come on and have a look in here? Sure. Okay, so they want her half.
see. You look. This is like. And then there's like the bell.
Is everything okay? It's wood. It
Wood.
originally was coal.
Okay.
Built 1912.
Good to know. All right, bye guys.